welcome to our Poosh YouTube channel. I am going to do our latest unboxing. Poosh partnered with Clarins to do an at-home spa kit. So it is called I Deserve Poosh and Clarins at-home spa kit, Lift and Let Go. And I made this little collage, which I always make a collage to go with our mailers. These boxes that we decided to put this at-home spa kit in are from Walmart. They are all natural wood little planters. And this one, which has the Clarins products in them, we had Jeff Latham's team plant with succulents, and the succulents will grow over time and they will be long lasting. So we really wanted this mailer to be eco-friendly and things that I always like our vessels that we put all of our products in to be something that can be reused and repurposed. So this is our Total Eye Lift Clarins product, which is 94% natural ingredients, and their packaging is also eco-friendly. This is their serum, which is made of organic ingredients. And then each person got a face cream depending on their skin type and their age and which product would be best for them. So I got the firming skin cream. Clearly, my skin needs to be firmed. This planter is filled with all of the essentials that we felt like would be amazing for an at-home spa kit. So this is a Skims robe, which I'm wearing right now in a different color. This one is honey, and they're just super cozy, the perfect robe for just being at home. And then we have our dry brushes, which I'm obsessed with. These are Daily Concepts. This is a body dry brush, and this is a face dry brush. We sell these on our Poosh shop, which is shop.poosh.com, of course. And then these are our slip silk scrunchies, which are my favorite because they don't damage your hair because they're made of silk, and this is their new Desert Rose collection. So it's really neutral, pretty colors, which I thought were perfect for this mailer, and they match our Skims robe. And then they custom made us a glam band that I use this when I either do my makeup or I'm doing a mask, and you put it under. I'm not going to do the full thing, but you put it, and they custom made us this color that they don't make to go with our Desert Rose collection. So I'm super excited about that. We also put this gouache, which is stainless steel. It's non-porous, so it doesn't spread bacteria like some other gouaches can, but because it's stainless steel, so if you have acne-prone skin, this is amazing. And I love that it feels cold, and it's honestly one of my new favorite products. And this is from Sashu, which we sell on shop.poosh.com as well. So this is fully recyclable. The packaging is made from recycled materials. Then we have this candle, which is from Dev Candle Company, which we sell on Poosh. We have 5 different scents on Poosh, and they're all available in white, this gray concrete or white concrete. And I picked this scent, which is Wander, that I thought was perfect for an at-home spa vibe. Then we did this Fable and Mane pre-wash hair oil, which is vegan and cruelty-free, made for all hair types. And then we also did along with it the Fable and Mane comb, scalp massager. It says Ancient Indian Secret for a Healthy Scalp. So this, I love that it's a wooden comb, so it's you know, made from natural materials. It's not plastic. And then I love this hair oil and I love a good hair treatment. So that's part of our at-home spa. And then we also did this little Alexis outfit, which our whole Poosh team thought was super cute to lounge in for a spa day and look chic. And then our last thing are these Dolce Vita slippers, which are super cute and cozy in a cream color. I hope you loved our spring mailer. Almost all of the products are available on shop.poosh.com, so you can have your own at-home spa night. Lift and let go. Okay, I think that's good. The packaging is also totally recyclable. What?
And made from recycled.
Made from recycled material. And this one, I think I need an extra small. I hope you loved this unboxing and that it was riveting for you.